What's going on, you guys? Mr. Allen here, and we're about to solve this dope problem involving a parallelogram. We're going to try to find some segments and some angle measures given some segment and angle measures. Woo! It's going to be dope. All right, so when we're given a parallelogram, we are given all the properties associated with parallelograms. Opposite sides congruent, opposite sides parallel, opposite angles are congruent. Consecutive angles, this guy, that guy, are supplementary. This guy, that guy, supplementary, right? Okay, and then we're also given that the diagonals bisect each other. So keeping all 5 of those bad boys in mind is going to help us solve for all this stuff here because it seems pretty intimidating right now. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to jot down all of these on the diagram best I can. Well, AB, that's this guy right here, is 10. And then DB, that's 14. Kind of hard to notate, but I'm just going to go ahead and put a 1-4 there. It's a little weird looking, right? But it's hard to do when it's all the way across the diagram without getting too cluttered. All right. What about my angles? So we got ABD is 20. ABD, that's 20 degrees, okay? So there we go. A quick reminder that the middle guy there is my vertex, or the pointy part of my angle, right? So that B is right here. That is where, like, the angle is actually occurring. It's the A and the D that it goes out to, okay? So DCB, where the heck's that going to be? Well, DCB, that is going to be this whole thing right here. That's going to be 110 degrees, so 110. All right, and then we have ACB. ACB is right one, boom. ACB is right here. Ooh, and I should probably put 2 arcs for that one. And then ACB will do this. We're going to go, let's see here, like this. I'm going to put a dash right there. That's going to be 60 degrees. So I do want to use some different markings. Maybe I'll do 2 for that one, 1 for that one right there. Beautiful, wonderful, and fantastic. If they have the same markings, that means that they are congruent. And we know these are obviously 3 different angle measures. Let's grab a different marker now for figuring these things out. I'll go with a light blue. All right. So let's see here. Do we have any information yet? Well, AB is 10. DC is an opposite side of that, so it has to be 10 as well. So boom, check it off. All right. What about BE or DE for that matter? Well, didn't we say the diagonals bisect each other? So this AC right here is going to split the BD in half and vice versa. Well, BD in total is 14, so that makes 7 and 7 for these 2 right here. Woo! We've already got our segments taken care of. That's dope. All right, also notice there's no segment marking on top. When we're talking about distance, right, or length, we leave the segment marking on top off of it. This is indicating we want the distance between these 2 points. So from D to E, it is 7. All right, fun little geometry fact. All right, moving on. I got some angles. Whew. Well, let's see here. Looks like we want CBD. CBD. Can I get that? Well, check this out. I know that the consecutive angles of a parallelogram are supplementary, meaning they add to 180. So if this big angle right here is 110, then this entire angle right here in blue, which I'll put 3 tick marks on, that entire thing is supplementary to that 110, which makes this 70 degrees. And this diagram is about to get real cluttered real fast. All right, so this whole thing is 70 degrees right here. Well, if that part's 20, then this guy right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, is going to be the leftover, which is 50 degrees. So CBD is 50 degrees. Yay! Wonderful. All right. Let's see here. How about DCA? Where's that at? DCA. Hey, same kind of deal, right? This one's 60. This whole thing is 110. What's left over for that? That's going to be 50 degrees. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess that looks terrible. Anyway, I'm going to change it up here in a little bit. But that's going to be 50 degrees right there. So 50 degrees for that one. Now, I know they don't necessarily look congruent. But again, with geometry, things aren't always going to look congruent if they are congruent. Certain things, yes, but certain things, no. So best safe not to do that. Unless it's parallel lines, transversals, then we're good to go. All right. DAB, dab. All right. Dab, that is opposite this angle right here. And we said opposite angles are congruent. So if this whole angle right here is 110, then this whole angle right here, and I'm going to put like a little circle on it. That's another one, right? That whole angle is also 110 degrees. Whee! 110. Beautiful. Awesome. How about BEC? Where is that at? BEC. That's right in here. Oh, man. We got all sorts of stuff going on here. I got an idea. Check this out. This BEC, that if I were to say instead of just thinking of the angle, I'm gonna think of this triangle here. So I'm gonna redraw this. All right, B, E, C. This is 60 right here. This is 50. How many degrees are in a triangle again? Oh, 180. Well, those two add to 110, and 180 minus 110 would leave me with 70 degrees. 70 degrees right there. Boom. BEC is 70 degrees. That's dope. We're getting triangles into this bad boy. All right. Now, you might be like, oh, that's 70. Is it because that guy's 70? No, it's just a random thing. Okay. Coincidence, if you will. All right. And then now we got AEB. AEB. Well, this is 70 right here. And this whole dealio right here, that is a straight angle, 180 degrees. If I do 180 minus this 70, which I already know is 110, boom, we've got our final answer. Whew, man, that is a doozy right there. But hey, man, parallelograms come loaded with tons of dope information. That's awesome and fantastic. All right, hope you guys followed. Okay, a lot going on. Label your diagrams. Make sure you're using different angle markings. I know for this last one, I got a little lazy with it. Actually, I guess it is unique because I put marks everywhere else. So good to go. All right, I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful, fantastic day. Make sure, like, subscribe, all those YouTube things, and have a fantastic day once again. Deuces.